How to download Zooba on your Android or iOS device. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you're trying to try out the Zooba game for the first time, then don't worry, downloading it is super simple. First of all, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet and then launch open your Google Play Store on your Android or the App Store on your iOS device. Once you're inside the main homepage of App Store or Play Store, go to the search bar and type in Zooba. After you find the application in the search bar, look for this app from Wildlife Studios and tap on Install to begin downloading the app. On your iOS, you'll need to tap the Get button and authenticate with your Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. Now the download process will begin. Just make sure you have a stable internet connection. Keep enough storage space on your device and always download from official stores only. Now, after you complete the download, tap on the play button and you have successfully downloaded the Zooba application on your smartphone or your tablet, whether you are using an Android or iOS. Follow through the on-screen instructions and choose your character and then go through this tutorial and you are all set to enter the wild and action-packed world of Zooba. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.